grabe. Ang kapuyaw. Oh, kapuy. Hello guys, how are you? So today, we're going to have a cleanup day! Oh my god. I'm going to tour you around. Ito yung current situation ng ginagawa. And I'm going to take you with me. Is it okay? Okay, so today, ganito yung situation ng mini filming room, kunwari ko. So, super messy guys. I'm so sorry if you're going to witness this tremendous, horrible place that I'm filming with. So far, we need to clean this up. Hurry, 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 hurry. Okay, this is it. Yan. Super. Oh my god. And this one. That's my, microphone. I just raise it up. Ganon. Oh my. Oh my god. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh. Can you see that mess over there? Can you see that? Oh my god. Can you see this stuff? Can you see this stuff? Can you see this stuff? Oh my yucks. Okay. This one. And 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 that one over there. That one over there. Oh, super messy. What was that? Shockingly super dirty. So we're going to start in 1, 2, 3. Up!
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
One eternity later.
Basically, this part here is 60% clean and I'm going to throw this away because no more handle. Goodbye. Now I'm segregating all the things. Next will be segregation of the things here. Next, I will be segregating this and these things. Look what I found! It's a YouTube sticker. Oh, a certificate of recognition. Certificate of completion. This certificate is awarded to Michelle in recognition of successful completing the Beauty and Creative Hairstyle Workshop. Kailangan natin i-recycle yung mga paper bag kasi magagamit natin yun. I had this old makeup kit. These are glitters and over the place. I use this on the tutorial that I'm going to recycle. Alam niyo ba guys, I'm init. So, I'm almost done here. We're going to make a twist. Pasensya na sa mukha ko. Itong bed na to, ipapa-up ko siya para meron tayong malaking space dito. For example, merong mag-photoshoot or mag-makeup session. Much bigger ang kasi dito na banda. So, yung mga na-segregate natin, we're going to place it na naman sa floor and we're going to, kunin natin yung bed. Now, this is the part wherein there's a bed and it's a little bit spacious because I flipped the bed over there and then place the backdrop stand in there, which I'm going to make another one which is a little bit wider. I wanted my backdrop to start from there and end there. I love it because it gives me more space to film. The things that I placed on top of the bed, I organized it here. It's a backdrop cloth, and this one are these items are products from PRs, and that one still needs some arrangement, and this one are, I think I'm done here. The only thing that I'm not sure, I'm going to replace the backdrop. Yeah, cover everything there with black or any backdrop that I'm going to have in the future. And we're going to work here because it's still dirty. I'm not yet finished. Meron pa talagang season. Ito pala yung ginagamit ko guys pag nagla-live ako. Tada! Nahuman na. Di naman siya super clean, but then okay na, di ba? Approve na ba? Approve. I'm going to tour you around. Grabe. Kapuyaw. Oh, kapuy. So that's it. Natapos na rin after so many hours of cleaning. So, lesson learned, you really need to, from the start pa lang, if meron kayong unboxing, yung mga box, nyo na, yung mga products, i-arrange nyo na. Huwag nyo nang, don't wait na, they're going to fill up. Tapos mag-pile-pile na, tapos ang hirap ng linisin. It will take hours and hours of cleaning. And I'm super happy that I'm done. And meron lang akong update dun sa backdrop. Ipapataas ko lang siya ng ganon. Maghanap pa ako ng mataas na rod. And wider na rod pala. And that's it. And I'm going to insert the before and after of each side of those na cleanin ko. So, I hope you enjoyed the video and pasensya na pinakita ko kayo kung gaano ka-dirty, ka-disorganized yung room na to na dedicated for filming. But now, I'm super happy because spacious na siya. Pwede na akong gumawa ng kahit naka-stand up na dito. And, yeah. There will be a lot of things going on with this channel, so be excited. And thank you for being with me. Sorry that my face is super haggard and no makeup on. And I love this one. Nilagay ko lang siya ng curtain rod. Nilagay ko lang siya ng tripod. Monostick. Yan. So, thank you. Bye-bye. Saranghe and Happy New Year. Go 2019. Bye.